Oh yeah, hi. Welcome. Let me know in the chat where you are watching from. Welcome. Today could be a very interesting day because I think that we could have a rally tomorrow of space. And why that is, well, that I'm telling you in a second. Um, I just look for something real quick, but I think it's not that easy to find. Anyway, so let's have a look into the markets. As you have seen, I got a little haircut. I hope the portfolio will not get a haircut tomorrow. We are actually positive for Virgin today. One of those days, right? Market is down. S&P 500 minus 0.17, Dow is down, Nasdaq is down, the Russell, the small caps are up, crude oil is a little bit up, gold is a little bit up. Let me see what else is important. VIX is always also important. I think VIX is down a little bit, which is always a sign of potential higher courses later on. Then let's have a look what 10-year was saying today, but I think it's also going down. That's also good. So as you can see, the let's say overall conditions for an uptrend is actually not that bad. Okay. I believed actually that today we will have some kind of rally into the market, but apparently that didn't happen. So I assume, and as you can see, the market is very not decisive at all, very volatile here, as you can see in the S&P 500. And I believe that tomorrow could be the final breakout. Okay, let's have a look what the market, and I'm saying this because this is very important, guys. Okay, what the market is doing is very important. And if you are looking into the market, we actually fight for the 100 moving average, as you can see here. Okay, this is the 100 moving average. We just dipped below, will be close above, will be close below. This is also a trend line that we established since about mid of or beginning of September. So that's the situation here. Okay, but I think we could have a positive day tomorrow. So I think that today is not that important anymore, how the S&P closes or whatsoever. And the funny part is that space actually went up, and I think that is also because of tomorrow's day. Tomorrow's day is also a very important day in the space industry, because Blue Origin will have their flight. I will have tomorrow not only a full video about Blue Origin, but also the live stream, so make sure to stay tuned. Okay, so let's have a look. Blue Origin is actually sending up people tomorrow. As you can see here, live launch coverage begins at 7:30 CDT or 12:30 UTC. Here's a little bit summary what to expect. Rockets will roll out on the launch pad. Propellant load begins. Go for astronauts load and proceed to the launch tower. Astronauts begin load into the crew capsule and crew capsule hatch close. Okay, so this is the procedure, and as you can see, just 24 minutes before they going up, they are already closing the capsule. So it's a little bit, you have a little bit longer time if you compare it to the the Virgin Galactic experience. Other than that, today the astronauts getting familiar with the launch tower, redundant safety features of the New Shepard crew capsule, as well as ingress and egress procedures. Astronaut training will be completed at the end of the day. Forecast wind at launch have subsided and the weather currently looks good for Wednesday. Lift out is now targeted for 9 a.m. or 1400 UTC due to forecasted winds at rollout. Okay, so that's pretty much what you need to know. I will try to come as soon as possible. You know, the launch is at 2 p.m. UTC time. They are starting to stream at 12:30. I will not be able to stream what they stream. I think you know, of the overall situation with Jeff Bezos suing everyone, I'm just, you know, on the safe side and don't want to be sued. Okay, that's one point, and I also don't want to get a copyright strike, which you know, then would be I would be blocked for live streams for 3 months. Can you imagine? YouTube is very strict in that, so I don't want to risk that. I will make my own commentary, and but it will be fun. So join tomorrow. And yeah, space actually gained today, as you can see. It was a nice gain. It seems like since the 5th of October, we kind of went quite nice higher. We are now dancing soon with 24, I guess. And then, you know, the most important part is when will be the announcement of the test flight. And we talked about it yesterday that it could be mid of October, because this is what the PR said, the last one. So this would means here, okay? Here would be the decision, okay? This is the day. Can I let me see. Here we go. So approximately, I think it was here, okay? Here will be a decision, okay, on this date. So either the stock will further gain tomorrow on the news, and then when we will have the update, for example, that we will fly very soon in the next day, I could see a push. Okay, how much is the question? Maybe 10%. Let's say 24, somewhere 26-ish. So somewhere here. Maybe we will end up somewhere here. And this would mean that we close above the 50 moving average, which would be bullish, okay? Because then from a successful test flight, we could go higher and maybe try out the 27. I don't think it will really help to go over 30, but you never know, right? So that's the current situation. Sorry for the Picasso, obviously you know what I mean. Let me also welcome a couple of people that texted in the chat where you are watching from. Because this is something that we shouldn't miss. It's like a tradition here on this channel. So let me just put up the chat. Here we go. So we have people from Ireland. We have people from West Frisia. We have people from the UK. We have people from France. We have people from Moscow, Chicago. We have Gallardo Steve in our chat, which is a very good and long-term member already. Guys, if you want to become member and you know, get access also to Discord, check out the... Okay, I don't have it here. Is it here? Check out the membership. The link is in the description to become Wolf of Dubai member. Okay, it's quite interesting. For about, I think, $9 or something, you can get access to the Discord chat where we talk about you know, a lot of stuff during the day. Cool, very cool community. I love them. I look there for entertainment and educational purpose every single day and share my thoughts where adequate. Then we have you also from France, Linz. There's someone saying he's from a specific island, which I will not, you know, say. Then someone with a Russian name is saying, tell me honestly, Danny, did you make a lot from shorting stock space? Well, first of all, don't put the question 3 times in the chat. And second of all, I wish I have short this stock, but unfortunately this is not the case. I'm a long-term bull. I'm going through the up and downs. Obviously, you know, when it's go down or the other way, that you actually invest, it's always that you think afterwards, okay, I should buy or sell that time. But I had also timings where I thought, okay, now it's a good time to sell or buy, and it went into the other direction. So rather than thinking, okay, being on the right side always, which it's basically impossible to time the market, it's better to just buy every single month, and then you have the best average price. Currently, over the last couple of weeks, you could load your boat with much cheaper stock. So tell me one thing: if you loved space at, let's say, $45, you must be crazy about space at $22. So with that said, I thank you very much for tuning in. Follow me on Instagram as well, where the content continues, Wolf of Dubai Danny. And I see you tomorrow with, again, the daily vlog, very important. Then also the live stream, launch of Blue Origin. So have the greatest Tuesday that you ever had. Thank you very much for tuning in, and see you tomorrow.